It's a rainy day. I'm actually standing in the rain right now, but hey, we are checking out J. Davis Homes today. New construction, fabulous builder here in the Greater Tulsa area. Let's go and check out some houses. Forewarning, there's not much editing in this one and or background music, so just enjoy that live experience. You mean it? This pantry though, absolutely yes. Sign me up. You can be in it, it's fine. There's a lot of bodies in it already.
I have that issue right now. I'm like, where's this paint stop?
Are we talking about kids? Can't relate.
Well, you can.
We weren't, so.
You're such a hater. He is a hater.
Some of this action. Can a patio give big energy? Because it's giving big energy.
I love that one.
Love a good floating shelf. I do. You're so mean to me. Yes, and cool, you know? I don't know. It works.
1, 2, 3. I'm going to take that as a compliment. You should. I used to be about an hour early.
The rain do be coming down. Look at this. My goodness. Nice, nice, nice.
We don't build them smaller. Awesome.
Recording, they're green. All right, great. How are you? All right, I'm here with the one and only Amber Davis with J. Davis Homes. So tell us, what makes you guys special,
Well, we are a custom home builder.
Okay.
Everything is purely custom, from the drawing of the floor plan to the design to the lot itself. So
Awesome.
you can do everything custom.
That's great. Something you mentioned I think is really cool though, in our little pre-meeting, you were talking about how you guys don't really offer upgrades. Like what people see is what they get. I think that's
right.
Really cool.
That's right. So when you see a price, it includes everything in it. It's not a base price plus upgrades. You get
No
all of
gotcha
it included.
moments.
Yeah, that's right.
Actually, that's an upgrade. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we're in Jenks right now, but like, what other neighborhoods you guys build in? Do you build on people's lots?
We do. Okay. So we are. That's probably our big wheelhouse. Is we build on land a lot, all over the Tulsa metro area.
Nice.
So most of our lot inventory is in Bixby and Jenks. So.
And you said this home is about mid 400s. So like, what's your normal price range, or will you build just about anything? Or
we will. 400 is probably about our lowest price point. 5s and 6s is where we sit a lot in the spec inventory. And $1 million range are a lot of our custom wheelhouse.
Awesome. Very cool. Well, I've enjoyed what I've seen so far. I've seen some of your homes before, but this one actually is really nice. I mean, as far as fixtures and the stuff you guys pick out. So was this, you guys picked out all this stuff? So
I did, yes. I do all of the design work. I have a lot of people that come in, want to use us, and want me to help them.
Yeah.
And I actually offer that service as a free upgrade to our people.
That's awesome, because I think that is one of the challenges when you are building a new construction is like, well, what I took out, or what has good resale value, or like, is this actually good, or am I crazy?
Exactly.
So I think that's awesome.
Yes.
Well, we're going to kind of wander around here, but I appreciate it. And you guys have a website, I assume?
We do, mytulsahomebuilder.com.
Okay.
Facebook is a great way to see a lot of our product as well.
Okay. Awesome. Well, I'm going to go wander around.
Awesome. Sounds good. Thank you. Yeah.
I love the area. It's so cute because it reminds me of down the street.
Be nice.
Left on that road.
I just try to do like...
Yeah, and then it's huge. Yeah. I'm like, because they left it stunk. I'm like,
Wow.
She's got ghost face. For a year. It took them. I don't. Yeah. Imagine that.
Imagine that. Something that I think is worth noting that Amber mentioned in our little quick interview is the fact that she will help you pick out design choices, and that can be a really hard thing if you're not an innately creative person, or even if you just want someone to bounce ideas off of. That's a huge bonus to working with them. Like I've mentioned in previous videos, I am a member of the Home Builders Association of Greater Tulsa, so I've met a lot of amazing builders like J. Davis Homes. And if you're curious about the new construction process, it can be a little bit overwhelming, and it has multi-facets. I mean, everything from custom construction like what J. Davis does, all the way down to production builders and everything in between. So if you're curious and you got questions, reach out to me. One of the things that I really liked about this bathroom was the color choices. I think the gold, kind of almost bronzy hardware really goes well to bring in that warmer tone while still being very modern, and I just love that shower. Here I said bronzy. I think that hardware color is actually called like champagne or something, but to me it's like gold bronzy. Just depends on the song. Yeah.
And interviewed Amanda.
This is a really good size closet. I mean, look at all these built-ins. The other side. Viewers can join. We're having. This is the cool kids table. Hey, nobody else got some.
I have to make twice the amount of bell pepper because once I start chopping it, my daughter comes in.
Back at the house here, just enjoying the rain from a dry place. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Thank you, Jay Davis and the team, for opening your homes for us today. It was quite a fun experience, and obviously it's always a good time looking at beautiful homes. But if you're curious about new construction, hey, you should definitely reach out to me, and happy to answer any questions that you have. There's a lot of really great builders in town, and hopefully this gave you some insight into one of them. So if you're thinking of making a move, reach out to me. But with that, I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.